I'm going to tell you the true story of a little bird who showed up in my garden exactly when I needed her and who reminded me to believe in magic again. She appeared in my garden as a newborn ball of fluff, so I called her Fluffy. She made it obvious she wanted to stay and be friends, despite being a wild bird. I'd read that in their first winter they often die, as robins can struggle to find food. So I fed her well. I was nurturing her, but I didn't realise she was also nurturing me. When I met her, I was anxious and in fight or flight mode after a series of traumas. Her presence made me slow down. And because I slowed down, I started to see the garden differently. Other birds arrived in the garden. A male blackbird, a female blackbird, and then came the baby blackbirds, too many sparrows to count. A hedgehog arrived. They say that depression is living in the past, and anxiety is when you live in the future, and that perfect peace can be found in the present moment. I had to be patient and in the present moment to interact with my robin and the other wildlife in the garden. Slowly but surely, my garden is bringing me back to life. And it's all thanks to one friendly, beautiful robin.